The White House convened a meeting of industry-leading AI companies and secured voluntary commitments from them that essentially amount to a limited form of self-regulation. According to the Biden administration, these commitments are based on three principles: safety, security, and trust. Under safety, the companies committed to red teaming models and systems to prevent misuse, limit societal risks, and address national security concerns. They also committed to sharing information amongst each other and the government about risks, dangers, and emerging circumvention threats. Under security, the companies committed to invest in cybersecurity to prevent unreleased model weights from falling into the wrong hands and to incentivize third-party discovery of issues and vulnerabilities. Under trust, the companies committed to creating mechanisms for detecting whether content is AI-generated and to publicly report limitations and flaws of their technologies. They also agreed to prioritize research on societal risks and the development of AI systems to address society's biggest challenges. The U.S. has moved more slowly than Europe and other nations to develop a regulatory framework around AI. These commitments perhaps give us a preview of what the government might prioritize as it develops that framework. In that regard, however, the commitments are just as noteworthy for what they don't cover as they are for what they do cover. None of the announcements released by the White House so far mention anything about training data. Content creators, activists, and others have raised alarms about the data that AI companies use to train their models. These concerns include a lack of transparency from companies about the sources and contents of their training data, the potential presence of individuals' private information in the training data, and the use of copyrighted content as training data without consent or compensation to the copyright holders. These are issues on which AI companies are more likely to clash with regulators. In light of that, it's possible that the Biden administration agreed to keep them outside the scope of these discussions in order to bring the AI companies to the table. But the silence of the administration and the AI companies on these critical issues is an indication that it could be a while before we gain any clarity on them. Thanks for watching Kilobytes. For more, follow us on LinkedIn, Medium, and YouTube. I'm Saber Ibrahim of OptimEdge Legal.